What is a number system? So a number system is a set of symbols, like digits, for example. So a set of symbols and rules express and represent numbers. So a number system is a set of symbols, digits, in most of our cases will be digits, symbols and rules to express and represent numbers. Okay, so they're used to express and represent numbers. Don't get too confused with the wording. When we see examples, everything will be a little bit more clear. So what are some examples of some number systems? So let's go through some examples. So we have something called the decimal system. That's what we will use most of the time, because if you look at our hands, we have 10 fingers, and that is what? Base. That's what we'll call base 10. That's the base 10 system. And now when you work with computers, it'll be a different number system, and that number system will be called binary. Okay, and that'll be a base 2 system. All right. And then let's say there's other number systems out there in the world, right? Maybe you saw, when you were reading a book, you saw some weird Roman numbers that represent the chapters, for example. That's another number system, and that's called Roman numerals. Roman numerals. Okay, and that doesn't use place value, but it has Latin alphabet to represent values. So there's no base here. It's just going to be the Latin alphabet. So we have 1, V, X, L. And these guys represent some value, okay? And when you combine them, they represent another value. And then there's more number systems, like hexadecimal, which is base 16. Base 16 number system. And we're going to go over what it means to be a base 2, to be a base 10. But this is what you have to know. A number system is a set of symbols, just like we have digits like 1, 5, 9. Those are digits. These are symbols. So a symbol can be, most of the time we're going to be dealing with symbols that are digits, but sometimes symbols can look like this, Latin. And then when we apply rules to express and represent those numbers, like if I combine 1 and 6, that's read as 16, right? Yeah, so that is all part of the number system.